Have you ever looked up and felt small? Not just small in size, but in time, in space, in everything. Because what you're really looking at is home, but not just Earth, not just the solar system. You're looking at a living, spinning, breathing structure called the Milky Way Galaxy. The Milky Way is not just where we are, it's what we are part of. A vast spiral of stars, gas, dust, dark matter, black holes, and history, 13.6 billion years in the making. It's a barred spiral galaxy stretching over 105,000 light years across. Imagine a disk of stars so wide light takes 100,000 years just to cross from one end to the other. And in that disk live more than 200 to 400 billion stars, each one possibly hosting its own family of planets. Our sun is just one, orbiting quietly, halfway out from the center, like a small town in the suburbs of a glowing cosmic city. We often think of the sun as still, but it's not. It's racing through the galaxy at 828,000 kilometers per hour. And it takes us roughly 230 million years to complete a single orbit around the galactic core. Think about that. The last time Earth was here, the continents looked different. Dinosaurs ruled the planet. We've only been here, modern humans, for the blink of an eye in galactic terms. The Milky Way has four main spiral arms: Perseus, Scutum Centaurus, Norma, and Sagittarius Carina, all spinning out from a central bar of stars. We live in a small branch called the Orion Arm, a kind of spur road between major galactic highways. This galactic disk isn't flat either. It's warped, like a vinyl record left too long in the heat. Why? Most likely because of gravitational interactions with nearby dwarf galaxies. At the center of the Milky Way lies one of its greatest mysteries, a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius. It's over 4.3 million times the mass of our Sun. We can't see it directly, but its presence is undeniable. Nearby stars orbit it with wild looping paths, pulled by a force we cannot see, but definitely feel. In 2022, scientists revealed the first ever image of this hidden giant, captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, a globe-spanning network of radio observatories. The Milky Way isn't just stars, it's what lies between them. There are nebulae, giant clouds of gas and dust, glowing with starlight or collapsing under gravity to form brand new suns. There are supernova remnants, the glowing tombstones of exploded stars. And there are globular clusters, spherical, ancient collections of stars that orbit the galactic halo. Some of these are more than 12 billion years old, nearly as old as the universe itself. And then there's the invisible dark matter. We can't see it, but it's everywhere. It surrounds the galaxy in a massive halo, providing the gravity that holds this spinning system together. Without dark matter, the Milky Way would simply fall apart. The Milky Way is not alone. It's part of a small galactic neighborhood called the Local Group. There's Andromeda, our bigger spiral sister, set to collide with us in about 4 billion years. There's Triangulum, a smaller cousin, and dozens of dwarf galaxies, like the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds, orbiting us like moons around a planet. These interactions, gravitational tugs, starbursts, tidal streams, are part of an ongoing galactic dance. In the distant future, when Milky Way and Andromeda merge, they'll form a new, giant elliptical galaxy. A transformation billions of years in the making. And here we are, a tiny solar system, in a small spur arm, in a giant spiral galaxy that's part of a local group, in a supercluster, in a universe that's still expanding. The next time you see that cloudy band of light stretching across the sky, know that you're looking at the inside edge of your home galaxy, not just a dot in space, but a thread in the great cosmic fabric. We belong to the Milky Way, and it belongs to the story of everything. So when you look up, you're not just seeing stars, you're seeing your place in the universe. Thanks for joining us on this journey through space. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic content.